Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add bookings to your Wix website. This is a great way to let clients schedule appointments, classes, or services directly online. Let's get started. On your Wix dashboard, when you are editing your site and want to add bookings, just click the Add an Element button or the plus sign. Then scroll down to find Bookings. You can see the Bookings section right here. At the bottom, click Bookings and choose the type you want to add, such as a service list, weekly time, or calendar bookings. Choose the option that works best for you. For example, let's select Featured Services. Now, all we need to do is drag this element onto the page where we want the bookings to appear. Let's wait for it to load. As you can see, the booking section is now on the page. We can customize this section by changing the text or editing the bookings directly here. Once we double-click on it, we can edit our bookings and update them as needed. Just keep in mind that we will need to have a premium plan in order to use bookings on our website. With this simple setup, we can manage appointments and give our clients a smooth, easy booking experience.